how to set up an account on Axie Infinity. Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm giving you a tutorial that how to set up an account on Axie Infinity. Let's get started. So first you need to know what is Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity basically it's an NFT game that allows you to make money and all the different assets on NFT. And actually it's a battle game or a very fun game to play where we can actually collect NFT assets and make money. Yeah, this game you can also make money with this game. It's basically a video game that developed by the studio that is called the Sky Mavius, and it's also known as the game economy, which uses the Ethereum based cryptocurrencies, and the player of Axie Infinity collect and mint NFTs which represent the digital pets that is known as Axies. So let's get started. Let's just into it. So first, all you need to do, we can set up an account over here. You will go on Google and just simply type on accessinfinity.com. Once you done, you will see a landing page like this. There are two different options here, like getting started and what. But simply click on getting started. They will get you another page. Here we go. So first we have to create the running wallet, then get the access, then you have to create your account and download and play. So simply click on get started. You will see a lot of different actions and like Chrome, Firefox, Edge. So simply click on Chrome. Over here they will get you another page over here. So first you have to add these extension to your Chrome, but I have already extended in my Chrome. Just, I'm gonna go and that might simply go, and over here you will see certain upon their options and you will see the wallet running, which is already added my anagram. Let me click on that one, simply get started over here. So I'm new, let's set this up. Over here first I have to create my password. Okay, got you. So over here you will see the recovery phase. So simply click on reveal seed phrase. You will pick up the four phrases. Let me just write it down so I can memorize this. Gram, spell, unfold. Let me just use the four one of that and check. Okay, got you. Let me just confirm see where. So you will confirm the fourth one over here. First I have to reveal all of these, so I'm gonna call all of one that. Let me just copy that. This is gonna be very easier for me. Okay, over here let me just take a picture of that so I can memorize this. Over here let me just do the what is the second one is spell. Okay, the fifth one is I think check, and 8 one is nice, and the 11th one is panel. Just simply click on continue and your wallet has been created. Here we go. So I have created my wallet, so you have to simply click on here. There we go. So you will see a landing page like this is my the interface, the dashboard of my wallet, the Infinity Oregon Classic and Network wallet. So this is my the official wallet. So have to sign in over here, like on the top corner you have to sign in with your account. Just simply go with your running wallet over here, confirm that one, and on the left side you will see a lot of different options. Here we go. Yeah, I got you. So here we go. This is interface of Axie Infinity game, and this is my user dashboard. You will see I don't have any fund in my wallet, like I have zero Axie, zero land, zero, all of these are zero. And you will see my inventory, no, not at all, activities. So this is how you can create your account. You set up your account with the Axie Infinity, and it is very easy tutorial for you. So just you have to create your wallet, you have to get your access over there, create your account, and there we go. And you'll also make money on this game by using the NFT, by collecting NFT assets and make money. We can earn through that game. So this is how you can set up your account with NFT. So if you find useful for that video, make sure you subscribe the video, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye bye.